flow looks consistent, we should clear this section in the hour.
Copy that. Making sure the bins are secure.
Look at the flow metrics here. We're maintaining maximum throughput.
Excellent. The adjustment to the destemmer is working.
The pressure reading here seems slightly off the baseline.
Let me check the flow rate on the adjacent manifold.
The transmembrane pressure is holding steady at 0.2.
All right, let's increase the flow rate on the next cycle.
The lateral pan follows the juice as it enters and exits the filtration chambers. The filters operate
Filtered juice streams through overhead pipelines into massive fermentation tanks. Valves activate in sequence, ensuring the precise injection of the yeast culture initiates the fermentation process, a critical phase confirmed. Safety and control are paramount here. Engineers continuously monitor the extraction process, while the lab ensures quality standards are met. Once confirmed, the data is immediately routed to the production facility, initiating the automated manufacturing process without delay. As the conveyors accelerate smoothly, the robotic arms calibrate their positions. The system is now fully prepared to scale production. Years of careful aging result in this fine layer. It's a sign of maturity, confirming the wine's development in the bottle.
The bottles stand perfectly aligned, awaiting final inspection. Once readiness is confirmed, automation takes
as the frozen sediment Plutley.
Precise measurements are critical. As the mixture circulates, technicians monitor the blend to guarantee even distribution of the dosage liquid.
The machinery spins rapidly, twisting wire cages onto the corks with precise tension. The bottles then move seamlessly.
Dish. Utilizing advanced heated air drying technology, pressurized jets rapidly evaporate.
The line moves at full speed, with pressure testing stations scanning each bottle. Quality checks occur in
Layer by layer, the robotic arms stack the cartons with flawless precision, preparing them for the wrapping stations.
Look at the throughput data here.
Yeah.
It's running much faster than projected for this shift.
The new system provides real-time inventory data, ensuring accuracy remains constant across all audited locations.
The synchronized movement of the cranes ensures that pallets are retrieved and dispatched onto the conveyors with
Next pallet coming in, champagne boxes for lane 3. All right, set it down right here.
The logistics operation runs 24 hours a day, ensuring products move seamlessly from the factory floor to the global market.
Efficiency is key. As teams unload the trucks, the transfer begins immediately onto a sophisticated sorting system.
Robotic arms ensure every shipment is packed with seamless precision before the team organizes final distribution.
Efficiency is key in the modern stockroom. By optimizing our flow and integrating smart technology, we maintain continuous organization.
Тичникте и проспевоцните атрибути. Вини пък си мен своите тлъкътена на своите оперостойки мискама поп и да слечи твърдисти.
That comes to $45.50. Will that be cash or card?
Card, please.
Approved. Have a great day.
Okay, that completes the scan. The total is $30.
All right, tapping now. Payment confirmed. Here you are.
Thank you very much. There you go. Thank you.
Years of craftsmanship culminate in this moment, ensuring every bottle tells its own story. From the vineyard to the factory floor, every stage of production is seamlessly connected, creating a unified cycle of manufacturing. The data from the recycling facility is fed directly into this interface, allowing us to optimize energy consumption in real time. We need immediate alignment on the Q3 projections. The synchronization failure is of the European. Look at this spike here on the energy consumption graph. It correlates directly with the increased throughput. Adjusting parameters now.
Looks good, John. Vests, helmets, safety glasses, all checked off.
Ready to start the line when you are.
Look at these numbers. The handover was seamless.
We're seeing a 30% increase in throughput already. Digital handover confirmations sync instantly across the logistics network. Responsibility transfers seamlessly, keeping the workflow intact. Uniformity in quality demands precision at every stage, from bottling to global distribution.
That concludes the final dispatch for the day cycle. All vehicles are en route with optimized routing confirmed.
From the quiet exterior to the vibrant life within the bottle, the journey of true champagne is one of dedication.